In this video we're going to look at how to get our tables and our graphs we created in Excel into Word. So first of all, let's set up our screen. So I'm going to grab the top of my Word document, bounce it against the side of the screen, and then click on my spreadsheet. Okay, that will then allow me to click in the top right of my sample text, hold Shift and click in the bottom right. I can then copy. Now you'll probably do it that way, but I'm going to go Control C because I find it quicker, and then Control V in my Word document. Okay, now I should next write a title for my table, Table 1, and make it descriptive. The good thing about that is you can copy and paste that for the rest of your tables. Okay, highlight it, bold it, underline it, make it look nice basically. Okay, now we'll insert our chart. So we'll come over here, click on our chart area, Control C, Control V. Okay, now this area here, it doesn't look too nice, so perhaps you can come over to your Excel, right click, Format Axes Title. Let's just find out where it is. It's not allowing us to do there. So we'll go Chart Area. We'll just try here, Size. Okay, it doesn't appear to be much that we can do there with that. We'll investigate how to just make that look a little bit neater. Okay, so that's that part there. Probably could take that, create a text box. So we could insert text box. Okay, it's going to be meant to be a vertical one. Insert text box. Draw vertical text box. You can put that there. And replace the text that's in there and put it there. And then go up to Format and Text Direction. There it is. So we would want that one. Okay, now you can manipulate that around to put it in whatever spot you want, and you can delete that one. Okay, so there you go. You've now got it in your assignment. Okay.